Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sifon and I like putting outfits together amongst other things. Okay, so today I have another unboxing. You know, these end of season mid-year sales. They got me. They got me. And I'm wearing pink in honor of the color of the items that I bought, which are bags. And it's just funny because I said, I'm not really a pink person. I don't really like pink, but I decided to buy two more pink bags. And so I said, let me put on a little pink, the pink that I do have in my closet. I haven't really worn this shirt, so I put this shirt on, and I even put a little pink glittery eyeliner, little pink lip kind of. So we're gonna see. And it's another Kate Spade bag. And then I've never bought from this brand before, Baggu. It's my first purchase, and I don't remember the channel that I saw this video on. I mean, the channel I saw this bag on, but I'll put a picture of the channel, but I blame her. She is the reason why I bought this Baggu bag. I saw her unbox it and I said, I need that. I need it, I need it, I need it expeditiously. I waited on it. I was like, oh, maybe you don't really want it. I wanted it. And these two pink bags, I wanted them. I was waiting. Okay, so let's start with Urban Outfitters. It's a flat bag. This bag was $54 before tax. I see it already. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, that's really light pink. But can y'all see that? Where she at? Where she at? Where she at? Where she at? You put tape on here. Can't get to the bag. Oh, she's kind of smaller than I thought. Smaller meaning I thought she would be longer, but I guess this is a decent length. Look, she looks so cute with this shirt I have on today. Sorry, tongue out. This is the nylon bowler bag. And this print, I just thought it was so cute. It has like melting stars. I'm going to pull it back some so you can kind of see. It's looking a little washed out, but maybe it's looking a bit washed out. Not like completely washed out, but a bit. And like you could put what's it called? You can put a bag charm here. But like the hardware is pink. This is actually cute. This is actually cute. I don't have well, yeah, I don't have an east-west type pink bag. I'm just adding to my east-west bags this year. Ooh, she can fit your whole mama in there. Your whole mama and your auntie and your granddad. Well, maybe not all that, but this is pretty big. Zipper compartment. That doesn't come out. Is there pockets on this side? No. No pockets. But you can put this, you can attach your key to this so you can just pull it out. Very simple bag though. I just really loved the design. Y'all can't see that. I'm like, if I bring it closer, well, yeah, you see? The stars are like melting. And I just thought that was so cute. It's like almost like graffiti, and I have to get it. I don't know if it's AI art though. Y'all know that people be like, "Oh, don't buy AI art." I don't know if it is. Let's put it on the shoulder. No, she's cute. She's cute. Once I feel her, oh, she's cute. And I feel like you could wipe this material because it's like that. It's nylons. That backpack material. I'm sorry, guys. I had a long morning already. Excuse me. um, but yeah, I think she cute. She cute. I might get another color. I was thinking about getting a tan one. But yeah, they have multiple colors on there. So if y'all are interested, $54. First bag down. I only have 2 bags. This Kate Spade bag. I'm usually like a medium to small bag girly, but I was like, I need this bag, and it's a big one, and it's a big pink bag. So you would think if I didn't really like pink, why would I get a big pink bag? Something about it was calling me, you know. So this is the box. You see? This is the box it came in. It's pretty big. Let's see here. Ooh. I see polka dots. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, let me flip it this way. It says, ooh, Kate Spade. We hope this is the start of something wonderful. Scan this QR code to see all the services available to you and visit katespade.com to discover our new arrivals. Yo, it says, can you ever have too much leopard print? That's legit me. I don't think you can. I have so much leopard print. It's huge. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Let me tell y'all the name of this bag first. That's so rude of me. I didn't even introduce y'all. Hold on. I gotta look at the picture. This is the Dash Canvas Tote Bag, color pink multi. And the thing is, this was final sale because it was $198. I wasn't gonna pay $198, and so they were having a sale. And I think they had like an additional percentage off, so I got it for $115.61. I think that's before tax. So $115.61. I thought that was better than $198. You know, I'm not a mathematician, but I thought that was better than $198. So this looked like, well, ooh, I shook the camera, sorry. This looks like how Coach wraps their things, but if you didn't know, Kate Spade is like the same company that owns Coach owns Kate Spade. Okay, it's not as big as I thought. Guys, it's so pretty. I don't know. It's like a melon pink, but not quite to the melon side. It's like it stopped right before the melon pink, but it's almost like that. Oh, this is interesting. This is like printed on right here with the little embossed Kate Spade. I'm like, what? I guess this is the Kate Spade version of a canvas tote. Like Coach has a canvas tote. It's wrapped pretty good here, guys. I already like it. Woo! Woo! I see something in the stuffing. And then it also has, oh, it has this, they also put cardboard to hold its shape, I guess. Wowzers. Let's take all that out. Wowzers, wowzers. Oh my God, no. That's cute. See, I knew. I was like, Sephon, you're going to like this bag. Even though it's pink, you're going to like it. It's just something about it. This came in multiple colors too. And I kind of, don't it just look like a bag you could go take a picnic on? Maybe I'm a weirdo for saying that. But like, or like if I'm going shopping, like I know I have a full day of shopping. I don't know. It just feels like that. It just feels like that to me. I don't know. I hate that you can't really see the color. Let's see if I come closer. Is that the color? It's not coming off the way I want to. I might take a picture so y'all can see the actual color and put it in the video. But I mean, I guess even in the email, it's kind of coming off. I guess that is kind of the color showing up. Yeah, it's almost like a lemon, melon pink, like I was saying. She's cute. She's cute. Okay, sorry. Back to the bag. There is a flat pocket in there. Put your wallet right there, probably. Adventure around every corner. Yeah, it's like, it's giving like, if I want to go do things, I'm going to be out all day and I need to pack a little bit more than what I would usually pack. It's giving that vibe. Shoot, even if you spending like overnight at your man's house, you use this bag. Pretty sure you could fit an outfit in there. There's a zipper in the front. Pink lining there. And then you can zip it like this. You do have D-rings or whatever these are called to put the strap in. I think that's what I saw. Yes. I could have thrown that away. That would have been terrible. There's a name for this type of strap too, but I don't remember the name for this type of strap. Oh goodness. They wrapped this thing up bad. They wrapped it up bad, baby. Man, my mic is all over the place because this shirt is so wobbly. I hope it's not coming off crazy. Kate Spade, New York. She's so cute. It's adjustable. And it's like a light gold. It's a light gold. I'm so happy. Ooh, I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. I am not disappointed. Okay? But I think she real cute like this. Who gonna play with me? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Happy dance. Oh yeah, look, see, that's the color right there, baby. I guess I had to put her up against my melanin. This is cute. I don't know which one I like best. It's for different styles and different flavors, right? Thumbnail? I don't know what I'm gonna do for the thumbnail. But yeah, guys, no feet. These are all very like real chill bags. I like this. Was there a red one? I feel like a red one would be cute. No, they had. I think they had a tannish one or a white. I think they had a black and white one and like a tannish one. If this was in lime green, I probably would buy it in lime green. This is in lime green, orange, defo. If it was in purple, purple my favorite color. But yeah, I might like this one better. I might like this one better. She's cute. She's cute. She like that thick. She a thick canvas. Very durable. I don't know if I should scotch guard this. I also have another canvas Kate Spade bag that I got too. And I'm like, dang, maybe I should get the little scotch guard or whatever. Let me put them in the back. Try to make it look pretty. Oh yeah, look, they pretty in the back. They're cousins. All right, sorry. Well, those were the unboxings. I got another one coming up because, like I said, these sales got me. They got me. They got me. I'm excited about the next one I'm gonna do too. But no, maybe I am a pink girly. Maybe I am. I could be converting slowly but surely. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Be blessed. Bye.